First Robotics Team 1511 presents We Can Robot.
Hi, I'm Matt from First Robotics Team 1511 Rolling Thunder. So last episode, you all learned about how you need to program a robot in order to make it work. Well, in this episode, we're going to talk about a type of program that will help you design and build that robot. A CAD program, or a computer-aided design program, is a piece of software that lets you design and build whatever you want on your own computer. An easy way for me to tell you what a CAD program does is through one of my favorite toys, Lego. If you want to make, say, a house out of Lego, you would need to first think of what your house is going to look like. Then you would need to get all your pieces together. Then you need to start building your house. Along the way, you might find that some parts of the house don't look too good, or you can't build the house quite in the way you want, or something else doesn't just go right. Well, this is where a CAD program can come in. With a CAD program, you would be able to build your house on your computer before you actually build it in real life. And if you found anything wrong with it, you could easily fix it instead of tearing down your entire house in real life just to fix a small thing. After you make your house in a CAD program, then you would be able to build it in real life and know that there won't be any issues when you're putting it together. Now, of course, CAD programs aren't limited to just building Lego houses. There are tons of different CAD programs out there that can be used for different things. For example, our team uses CAD to design our robot before we build it and sort out any issues that we find with it. For this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to get started with a simple CAD program called Tinkercad. It is free to sign up, with your parents' permission of course, and is easy to get started with. When you open up Tinkercad, you will notice a work plane in the center of your screen. This is where you will be placing your shapes on. On the right side of your screen, you will see a bunch of different shapes. To get started, you're going to click on one of the shapes from the right and bring it over to your work plane. When you place the shape down, you will notice a few small boxes appear around it, which you can use to change the size of the shape. Notice how if you place another shape, it will be placed on the same plane that your first shape is on. If you want to put a shape on another shape, you're going to need to go back to the right side of your screen and select the work plane at the top. With this selected, you can now click on one of the sides of the shape that you just placed and place a work plane there. Now, when you try to place another shape, it will be on the new work plane. And that's pretty much it for the basics of Tinkercad. With those skills, you can make almost anything that comes to your mind. And with that done, I challenge you to get Tinkercad and try to make something around you in it, like a pencil, shoe, house, just make whatever comes to your mind. And with that, I'm out. Stay healthy and have fun with CAD.